engaging with the legal industry with LPC students at the beginning of their career as lawyers. What we see from our clients is that increasingly commercial acumen and excellent communication skills are of kind of crucial importance, more important today than they have been previously.
So the goal is to come to an agreement where all parties are satisfied, essentially. None has had to concede too much of the really essential things that matter to them.
Thank you, Paul, for joining us today then. Why did you decide to get involved with Young Legal Minds?
I really wanted to get involved to help contribute to the students' body of knowledge as they enter the legal profession. It's hard enough to get a job as a lawyer these days, and anything that you can do to improve your general skill base, I think, will help.
What will you be looking for in the competitors today in terms of qualities and what they can bring to in-house counsel?
Someone who can act maturely in a negotiation. Is very easy to get het up and emotional and difficult, and I would take teamwork as a given. So I know it's on the score sheet and I think it's important, but I would take it as a given. They should have that as basic knowledge, particularly if they've been doing projects together. Earning credibility, I think, is really important. So being honest when you can be honest, but not giving your cards away at the same time.
The students are getting the opportunity to see at first hand in-house lawyers who are working in preeminent legal organisations, and these lawyers are able to model for them the balance of legal and soft skills that they require in order to succeed in the commercial world.
In a company that's not yet registered with the IPC. And we do know that there is quite a huge sum, a 500,000 fine for not registering, as well as having some criminal sanctions. So of course for us, we are taking a risk.
In such a large investment, such a large amount that we would have to inject into your company, it would need to reflect a much more important payoff for us.
We will give them 25% for 1 million. That will cover the costs of the production going forward.
And we do have repeat custom from our clients and satisfaction, and that is one of the reasons why the clients come back to us all the time.
And as you mentioned before, you're primarily interested in our new venture, which is the Data Spider.
For 15th, 16th, 17th century, great legal minds spent a lot of time in cafes. I would urge you to do the same. It is not about PowerPoint. It is not about LinkedIn. It is not about your iPad. It is the person-to-person conversations and the intellectual discourse which you guys and girls specialise in.
So well done, all of you. I think that was just brilliant. I'm so impressed that you all volunteered to do this. You've given it a go and you've been willing to make a fool of yourselves, which you didn't. I just can't say how impressed all of us, on behalf of all the judges and all the mentors, how impressed we are with the way that you've tackled this evening and clearly during the day as well.
I was really impressed with all the teams, and not just my one, in how they had assimilated the information. Obviously, it's a very convoluted story that's been put forward with lots and lots of different areas of fact. Trying to condense those down into a certain number of negotiating parameters is obviously a real challenge.
As lawyers, you'll be negotiating on a daily basis. So win or lose today, this has been an invaluable experience. I think you all now see that the art of negotiation is generally a trait that has to be hard learnt and not inherited. And I'm delighted to announce that the winner of the 2013 FreshMinds Young Legal Minds is City Law School.